koutou, kia ora, Room 9, ko Mr. C, aho, I am Mr. C, and welcome to the Room 9 news for Rāpare, the 7th of May. Haere mai, hoki mai, welcome back to our little get-togethers while we're all still keeping ourselves safe. Hope you're all well, ready for another round of sort of schooling and learning from home. In today's emails, the next lot of work that you can have a look at. Remember to do what suits you, no pressure. It's up to you. Okay, let's go over to Kupo Te Wiki. This week's word is whare horoi kakahu. So whare meaning house, horoi meaning wash, kakahu clothing. So that's the house of washing clothes. You know it, it's the laundry. Okay, let's talk about what everyone got up to yesterday, and got some emails through, photos and video. First up, got an email from Zach. He says, "Hi Mr. C, I love the BFG. Thank you. I went for a bike ride with my mum to the mouth of the Upukaroa River on Tuesday. It was really cold and we saw lots of snow on the Takatimu Mountains." From Zach. Oh, ko Takatimu te Paimonga. That's, yeah, I know that, yeah, cold. Gloves weather, Zach. Gloves weather. Okay, we've got another email, this time from Carla. She says, "Hi Mr. C, Mum gave me a camera and I scored a 100% on stage 4 in 4 minutes on Prototech. I have cows outside my window now, and I've got a wee video. I hope you enjoy it. I play a lot with Robin. See you soon, Carla." Well, let's have a look at that video now. Alright, thanks for the emails and keeping me up to date with what you've been up to. Please keep them coming in, and remember, if you send something through and I don't respond straight away, sometimes it just doesn't arrive till the next day, some of those pesky emails. Okay, on to health and safety. Keep up the good work with the hand washing. Remember, clean hands are safe hands. And hold or well-being, especially Whai Whakaara, remember, mana kitanga. It's taking care of yourself and looking after yourselves, and we've got each other's back. That's kotahi, that comes first, that's number one, look after yourselves. Okay, weather for today looks a bit 50-50, so dress up warm if you're outside getting some fresh air or helping out the farm. Might be a bit rainy tonight or in the afternoon, so you might have to get the firewood in, nudge nudge, wink wink, when it's a bit drier in the morning. Firewood. You know what I mean. Okay, BFG news. Oh, I is loving the BFG, me. Another two chaptery-wapteries down. And I've emailed the link through to Yoodly-doo. And I'll also put a linkly-dinkly in the text box below. Alright, no birthday news. Well, no birthdays, but today is World Password Day. You know when you put a password into the computer or for your bank code or something? Blue Moon 32. And guess what? In America, it's National Roast Leg of Lamb Day. So I wonder what Uncle Donald Trump's having for dinner tonight. Betcha I can guess. Alright, it's shut the box time. I think Robin is still top of the pops. He's still number one. And so it's my turn to challenge. Not that I'm getting anywhere, but here we go. Are we on? Here I am. Okay. I'm going to start off with a 4 and a 2. That's 6. Here we go. 4 and a 2 is 6. What about this one? Oh, a 3 and a 2 is 5. Oh, a 5 and a 2 is 7. Everything's all something and a 2 at the moment. Here we go. Oh, a 4 and a 4 is 8. Oh, the next one's going to be 9. Oh, a 1 and a 4. Well, I think I'm going to have to do 1 and 4. So I'm going to have to do. What do I do? I think I get rid of the 2 and the 3 because 1 and 4 is 3. So I'm going to get. Here we go. Oh, that's 7. I can't do 4 and 3 7. I can't do that. So my score, I think I did better yesterday, is 149. There you go, Robin. You're still the reigning champ. So good on you, everyone who's playing Shut the Box. That's it for today. From everyone here at the Room 9 news team at the Channel 9 studios, ka kite popo. See you tomorrow. Haere rā. Go well and stay classy, Room 9.